Hey folks! In this video, we're going to solve questions that 99% of people get wrong. 8 minus 8 equals 0, and 5 minus 5 equals 0, and 0 multiplied by 0 equals 0, but this answer is wrong because we didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS is a rule I use to know what part of a math expression to solve first. It helps me do calculations in the right order so the answer doesn't get mixed up. First I do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Please subscribe to the channel before solving the question so you don't miss future videos. Based on the PEMDAS rule, we first solve the expression inside the parentheses. 5 minus 5 equals 0, so the expression becomes 8 minus 8 times 0. According to the order of operations, multiplication comes first, and 8 times 0 equals 0. Consequently, 8 minus 0 equals 8. Now let's make the question a little more complicated. 8 minus 7 equals 1, and again 8 minus 7 equals 1, and the product of 1 and 1 equals 1. But this answer is wrong. Let's go and solve it correctly. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first perform the multiplication. 7 times 8 equals 56. Then, we perform the subtractions from left to right. 8 minus 56 minus 7 equals negative 55. Now let's move on to the last question, which is very hard and complicated. This is one of those very difficult Olympiad questions that everyone solves incorrectly. 8 plus 2 equals 10, and 10 multiplied by 4 equals 40. The result inside the parentheses is 6, and 40 multiplied by 6 equals 240, which when divided by 4 equals 60. But this answer is wrong because we haven't paid attention to the order of mathematical operations. According to the PEMDAS rule, we first solve inside the parentheses. 8 minus 2 equals 6, and the expression becomes 8 plus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 divided by 4. Following the PEMDAS rule, we perform multiplication and division from left to right. 2 times 4 equals 8, 8 times 6 equals 48, and 48 divided by 4 equals 12. Finally, 8 plus 12 equals 20. Please write the answer to this question in the comments. I'll post the solution to this question in the next video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming interesting videos.